Hi, I'm Edmonds from Edmonds Marketing. I've been in marketing for a long time and there's been a lot of confusion around what marketing is and what it can do for service businesses. With that in mind, we've developed up a simple idea we call the marketing bike. Everyone knows what a bike is and what it does. And to provide effective marketing in a post-digital world, there are 6 steps to consider with your bike. Let's get into it. Step 1, your organization is the bike. Step 2, for your bike seat, choose your customer. The more you know about them, the better. Where do they live? What are their demographics? What are their psychographics, such as attitudes, opinions and lifestyles? What about behaviours? Remember that research here can really remove any assumptions. Step number 3, mapping your journey. Where's your business now and where are you going? Marketing's role is to attach communication objectives against business objectives, setting effective milestones to measure your activity. By horizon scanning, you'll also be able to identify any market risks and threats. Step 4. Your bike's gears and back wheel relate to your strategic messaging. You'll power your bike forward more quickly if you're able to develop messaging that's focused solely around the value you offer to your core customer. The tighter, the better. How are you different from the competition? And what's your promise that customers can come to expect over time? Step 5. As a service, your bike's front wheel is built around your website. You have various customer touchpoints out on the wheel and they're all connected by channels. Online channels might include your website as well as search tools. You'll include paid advertising, social media, blogs and videos. Offline channels will include staff scripting, very important, as well as mass media, looking at advertising and editorial, but also your brochures and events. Step 6. The final step of your marketing bike is to review your distance travelled. While strategy and execution is important, regular evaluation of your marketing activity is often neglected, and this is really where you can start to see your return on investment, what's working and what's not. If there's one thing to take away from this video, it's that effective marketing can drive valuable leads. If your service is communicated clearly for your customer and communicated consistently across your channels, then it will result in positive word of mouth, one of the most effective forms of marketing available today. Again, I'm Edmonds from Edmonds Marketing. Happy biking.